To be past simple, was, were, was, I, he, she, it are any name. Were, we, they, you are any plural subject. Use of was and were. I was sleeping. I was eating. I was hungry. I was happy. I was thirsty. I was sad. I was busy. I was crying. How tall were those buildings? How was your day? When was she born? What was that noise? Where was John born? Where were you going? Where were you? He was a rich man. He was not a rich man. Was he a rich man? That girl was beautiful. That girl was not beautiful. Was that girl beautiful? They were not teachers. We were not invited. They were great players. Were they brave boys? We were not their friends. Was he a good friend? Were they at the party? Were they two sisters? You were not a liar. Tina and Sarah were happy to see him. They were happy to have him. Don't forget we were a family. He was asleep on the couch. The crackers were left out overnight. The dogs were barking loudly. They were very mad at him. She was skipping. It was very rainy. My mother was ill.